Welcome everybody to our first foodie video. I'm here with Juju.
Hi.
And today we are doing our first video and we're reviewing the McDonald's McFlurrys. They're a little melted because it's hot here in Arizona. It's 100 degrees out, so we went and got these, but they're a little melted as you can see. We have an Oreo, M&M,
And strawberry shortcake.
The strawberry shortcake. Leah's sitting right here. She doesn't want to participate, but she's gonna be eating the Oreo one. She's gonna try them all. So what do you say, Juju? Should we get right in and try them out? Which one do you want to try first?
I want to try the
M&M? All right, sister, you want to try the Oreo?
This is...
Oh, it's... Oh, God, hold on. They're all... this is not sanitary. Okay. Hold on. That's pretty good, though. The strawberry shortcake. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Sister? There you go. There's your Oreo. What do you think? You like that one? Let's see. Well, I got some Oreo here. We'll try the Oreo first.
Yeah.
The Oreo cookies and ice cream. Really tasty. What about the M&Ms?
It tastes good.
Yeah? What does it taste like?
M&Ms.
M&Ms? M&Ms with candy? Or M&Ms with ice cream? It really melted, huh? Let's see. Strawberry shortcake. It's crunchy. Like strawberry candies, they're crunchy. Little cake pieces. That one's good. I like this one. Want to try the Oreo? Well, that one's really melted.
Yeah.
Careful, you're gonna get on your shirt. We should have got napkins.
I have one.
Yeah? No, it's okay. This reminds me of like Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops?
Yeah.
Really?
A Fruit Loops cereal. The strawberry shortcake. Want to try? Gotta eat it fast because it's melting.
Yeah. I like melted ice cream.
Yeah? Let me see. Let me try your M&M. This has, look at all the colors. It looks like a rainbow. Looks like a unicorn pooped in here.
I'll see.
Oh, that's cold. That hurt my teeth.
Mine too. Because it's unicorn poop because it's turning brown. I really like this one.
This one's good.
Yeah.
I like the strawberry shortcake one.
I like Oreo dog.
Cold ice cream for a hot day.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to try one of these?
Nothing.
No, you're good. Let me try again. Oreo cookie pieces.
Yeah.
The classics. The Oreo and the M&M.
I don't know.
Which one's your favorite? This one?
Yeah.
Which one though? In order. 1, 2, 3. Let me see, sister. Which one? M&M, strawberry, or Oreo? Strawberry shortcake?
Yeah.
I know.
Just a question.
Me too. 1, and then eat it. And then I think I like Oreo 2 and M&M 3.
I only like Oreo.
Oreo's the second favorite.
Yeah.
There you go, sister. You can finish. Don't eat all of my ice cream. You got it on your shirt. Yeah, it tastes like Fruit Loop cereal. It's really good. There's a little strawberry, I think.
Mine is like tastes like pink unicorn poop.
The strawberry pieces taste like Fruit Loops, and then the little shortcake pieces. It's really good.
Sister, can I try one more of your Oreo?
Do I really?
Can I try of your Oreo, please, sister? Sister.
Where? Is it gone? Still?
It's como que están stuck in your hair, así.
And your beard.
I still have ice cream?
And your beard. Sister. Oh my gosh.
What?
There was a bug there.
Yeah? Thanks. Sorry. You don't want the napkin back? It's like a milkshake now because it melted. Should have gotten straws to drink it like a milkshake.
Yeah.
Why? That's what milkshakes are. Milkshakes are ice cream with milk blended up.
I don't like milkshake.
And ice. Oh. Ooh, look, there's some at the bottom. Ready? Give me a big cheers. Get a big scoop. Big cheers. Ice cream is a messy, yummy treat.
Yeah. I have some in my nose.
In your nose?
Yeah.
Was your nose trying to eat the ice cream?
No. No.
Sure you don't want to try these, sister? Alright. You're missing out.
You good?
Here.
You want some?
Probably want one, yeah. Why? You gonna eat all of them? The M&Ms is alright, but it's not my favorite.
Which one?
The M&M.
Mine is my favorite. Which one? What's the other one? Why?
I like the strawberry shortcake and the Oreo.
To me, I think the
I like
Oreo.
the strawberry.
You gotta try this one though.
I like the strawberry shortcake.
You can finish it. I'm done.
It's okay.
Ice cream is so messy,
Yeah.
especially when it's hot out because it melts really fast. You got a brain freeze?
Yeah. I just got brain freeze.
You didn't get brain freeze?
Oh, though.
All right, Juju, Leah. It's gonna do it for our first video here with Girl Dad Foodie Adventures. Did you have fun? Our first foodie adventure is over. This is not sponsored by McDonald's. This came out of our hard-earned money. Maybe one day, but for now, you gotta wipe your face off. We're done with our first foodie adventure. Anything else you'd like to say? What do you give it? Huh?
10 out of 10.
I'm loving it. Well, how many jujus? How many jujus for the M&Ms?
10.
No, 5 out of 5. Or out of 5 jujus. 5 is the most.
Yeah.
How many?
5?
5? I'm gonna say 3.
Why?
3, because it was all right. It was 2.5, average. It was average. The strawberry shortcake, 4.5. It was delicious. Like I said, Fruit Loops. I love Fruit Loops cereal, so that was good. And the Oreo, I'll give the Oreo a 4. What would you give this one?
Like a 5?
A 5. And the Oreo?
4.
A 4?
4.5.
Oh, okay, Juju, okay. All right. Well, that's gonna do it for us today. So until our next foodie adventure, see you guys later.
Bye. Bye.